Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to Dr. Azura and all my fellow friends. Our title project is Heat Sensor. This is our group leaders, Pehokyong. My name is Lokman bin Zulkarnain. This is Umar Azizi, Alif Sobihi, and our last group members, Asmal Hamida. So listen our project explanation. Thank you.
Hi, today I would like to introduce about the heat sensor. So the main priority in a heat sensor is to sense the heat, which is present around the sensor. When the set value of the temperature is high, then it is indicated with the help of a glowing LED. The usage of heat sensor circuit is inside your PC or in your kitchen. Due to overheating, usually, the expensive component in the PC or kitchen appliances could be damaged. When the temperature around the heat sensor increase above its set value, then it senses the heat and gives an indication so that we can protect the devices from the damage. Heat sensor circuit sense the heat from various electronic devices like amplifier, computer, and thus generates the warning alarm. I would like to tell you about the theory of a heat sensor. So, what exactly is it in a heat sensor circuit? Well, let me tell you this. There's a few components in a heat circuit sensor actually, which are the thermistor, the buzzer, the transistor, diode, resistor, dry cell, and switch. So, but what makes the heat sensor a heat sensor circuit? Well, here's the answer. It is the thermistor. So, thermistor functions. Here, thermistors used as a heat sensor, which is more accurate to sense the change of surrounding temperature. Here, our thermistors is of NTC, negative temperature coefficient, type, which the effect take place during heating their thermistor. Its resistance decrease, so more current flow through the thermistor. By this process, it will increase the base voltage and enhance the transistor. Alternatively, this would switch on the buzzer and produce sound. So the arrangement of the resistors and the thermistors are set in a series because we would like to use the voltage divider rule.
Okay, now going to move to the application of heat sensor. So basically, what is the application of heat sensor that relate to its theories? So just now we have discussed about the heat sensor. The theory of heat sensor, how it works, and the electronic component of it. So what is the function of each electronic component? So what makes it applicable in our life? So then, okay, let's talk about the application now. So it's basically very important. So okay, first thing about heat sensor is you can see here is microwave. Yes, microwave. Then we have circuit protector, and automotive. All this very important with heat sensor. Without heat sensor, these things useless, So, and main function heat sensors is to sense the heat and to warn us, and that's also because of the main electronic components like the thermistor.
In conclusion, temperature result sensor placement is crucial for a good process control result. It is important to determine your critical temperature of the process and use the proper sensors to monitor the temperature. The rule of thumb in a heating application, like heat trace is to place the sensor in the most extreme location. The lowest expected location for minimum temperature control. The temperature sensor can only process the information supplied to it, and placement is everything. Thank you.